Hello, this is Romeo, and I would like to show you how I made a protective case for my lawn mower battery charger. First of all, it wasn't until late fall in 2019 when I noticed that the battery on my lawn mower was not fully charged, despite the fact that I had it connected to the charger for more than 2 days. Upon careful examination, I noticed that one of the cables to the charger got frayed and eventually got fully separated. So I decided to get a new charger, but to protect this new one, I created a case for it. The materials that I used are a plastic container, a sharp blade, and a magic marker. I then drew rectangles to match the size of the plugs. And with a sharp blade I cut out the rectangles. I then made a stop knot on the power cable. I also made a stop knot on the charger cable. I then inserted the charger plug through its hole. And inserted the power plug through its own hole. I then laid the charger into the bottom of the container. I then checked the proper distances of the stop knots. I then placed the lid on the container and checked to see whether the stop knots are held in place securely. By the way, one good thing about the colorless, translucent bottom of the container is you can see through to see whether the charger is being charged. And ta-da! A protective case for my lawn mower battery charger. By the way, I appreciate comments, questions, or suggestions, and please subscribe since I have other do-it-yourself projects to share. Thank you for watching.